Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video, just a quick one. If you're desperate to get your hands on the latest Windows 25H2 and you don't fancy waiting till the middle of October or whenever it actually gets released to your particular device, there is a way you can actually fast forward the update process. That's actually really easy to do. There's a very small file you can download and it's called a enablement. So basically it tells your system that it's ready for the update from Microsoft. So without further ado, let's head over to the computer and take a closer look on how to get it. Okay, so this is our current PC. Now I actually did a fresh install of this yesterday because, well, yeah, you'll probably find out in future videos, but anyway. So if we type in WinVer to find out the version of Windows we're running, currently as you can see there, we're on Windows version 24H2 and it gives you the OS build there. So that tells us that we're on 24H2. So if we want to actually update, we're going to need a update file. Now the update file is the KB 5054156, as you can see here, which I've already looked for. And there's various places you can get this from, so you can go to your favorite websites to get it from. I'm going to go to thorough.com, as that's a very reputable site. And as you can see here, so Windows 11 version 25H2 ISOs and Enablement KBs are available, or EKBs rather. So you can read through, it tells you basically what it does. So yeah, essentially you can install the enablement package, the EKB, and the upgrade for Windows 11 to 24H2 to 25H2 will happen much quicker. So in order to do that, if you scroll down a little bit, we've got the options here. Also, they've got the ISO files. So if you want to do a manual install, you can do as well after using the enablement, or you can just do the ISO and burn yourself a disk if you want to do a fresh install, or maybe try and do an upgrade. Those choices are entirely up to you. I'm just going to fast forward things and I'm going to do the enablement package. So the one we want is this one here, so KB 5054156, and that will take us to 24H2 to 25H2 EKB, and this is for the x64. Now if you're on ARM, you can use the ARM version. For those with Intel and AMD processors, modern ones, then this is the one you want to use. So we'll click on this and download it. We'll save it to our Windows desktop. As you can see, it's a Microsoft Update standalone package. Click on save, and we can minimize this now. We don't need this any longer. Now all we need to do is just double click that file there, and it says here Windows standalone update. Do you want to install the following Windows software update? Update for Windows? Yes, we do. So click on yes, and in a very short amount of time it says installation is complete. You must restart your computer for the updates to take effect. So you can choose to restart now or restart later. If you're doing something else, obviously save all your programs, etc. So let's do a restart now. And if we go back into Windows now, we can see if we do WinVer, we're now on version 25H2 and the build name is still the same. So this will now mean that as soon as there's any updates, it will get them. So potentially if we go to the Windows update and check for updates, it's basically going to tell the server that this system is now eligible for the newer updates before they're generally released to the general public. And there we go. So it says updates available. So it's going to do some security updates as well. And it's going to do the main update for the Windows platform and also the cumulative update for Windows 11 version 25H2 x64. So I'm going to let that carry on do its thing. Obviously, however you want to do it, it's entirely up to you. But yeah, this is a way of getting the updates a little bit quicker. So there you go, for those of you that can't wait to get your hands on 25H2 on your Windows installation, this is a method to do it. Obviously, again, you can download the ISO and do a manual update if you wish to. Those are also available, a little bit of a longer process, but this is pretty safe, pretty self-explanatory, so it's just going to let Windows Update do its thing, and yeah, you can get your hands on the latest update features as soon as physically possible. So hopefully this video's been useful. If it has, smash the like button. If you want to see more content like this on a daily basis, maybe consider hitting subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the chime notification. That way you'll be notified of future video releases. But for now, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.